The Meghalaya Building and Other Construction Worker Welfare Board kelaraki ekasngi kinong tray ni kawal worker di Hasasatham Auditorium Hall peladan lang umentri rang ba kejala ukanrat sangma pat umentri ketnat labor uba Methodist Dekar.
Yaki parlok kichungi kibangi khan nasi teki nong tray ni workers na ay kajing kublay yapi kajing kublay kasngi gabakman kasngi bakraw kasngi buran buram jong ka International Workers Day. My friends, before I continue with my speech, I would also like to express my sincere appreciation to the team who had made this program a successful and a meaningful one. Taganika government kachungi bangidanata. Under this government, our Honorable Chief Minister has given us a vision of governance that is pro-people, pro-poor and pro-future. A vision where development is not only about roads and building, but about dignity, security and opportunity. A vision where the government is not a distant office, but a partner in the daily life of a citizen. Today, as the Labour Minister, I want to say we are taking this vision to the worker, directly to the family, directly to the bank account, directly to the future. Labun pun hakini kisnam ibamenta yaka dreams kajungi lan yaka jing angnut kajungi yaka jing angnut jong kajela yaka jing angnut kajungi iway pa iway kibatre shitom na lendet kibatre shitom kibadan rengkat barni ban pen yo yati kajing angnut kajungi barabor kidai ki construction worker dai ek ba niso dam sukhia kolongba hakibun ki progress rane bun ki story bun sin nisha e sedin kini ki construction worker kijungi dena takada under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, we are making a declaration that is simple, powerful and immediate announcement that put the trust of worker and technology in the service of justice. The message is clear: the government stands with the worker and the welfare must reach directly, transparently and with dignity. Intagasi nakajinglom daglamba kajing yalam jung Chief Minister ujongi ikwa bakini gijing mentoi kiba ka government ka ai kin poi shapi kin poi yakikun ki gijongpi but kin poi directly haki account gijongpi. Partmentagasi ikwa ban announce kidon basau santili ki scheme kiba ka government ka kwa ban ai namta jongpi but benbena namta jongpi ki workers in the kinong trade batay ka society batay ka nation building ko juni but kawai na kita southly ginik scheme there we are making an announcement of 4 scheme that we being brought together under one vision of welfare worker yani ki active registered worker who has contributed to the BOCW Welfare Board for at least 1 year, kibala long number tala shisnem, but kibala tray bakandai posni, they will receive 5,000 directly into their Aadhaar linked bank account. Kinsa yo apniang ya kapisa basan hajar tingka haka account bajongki. But ya ka scheme ni ay karteng ka CM lighting up of the life of worker, especially those who have worked tirelessly in the shadow of the economy to protect them when economic pressure weigh down on their life. Yakan ika scheme ay kinang namta jong kibabun, kibatray, kibalang kumki rishap, namta karoy kapar, namta ka development jong kacela, jong ka state ibarwa kaway, namta ban yaram yakan chingim ka jongpi. Apart from the scheme, there are schemes that we are launching today. The scheme kibangi kuat ke enable, enhancing the ability for better learning environment. We don't getting it, but we don't getting perkan. Baki kun kiti ki jongi, jongi worker, bul sen ni myo ban pha pule ki school ba byang ni myo ban pha pule ki school ba kambit ki ba kambyang de na ta kada na kaliang jong ka government na kaliang jong ka department ni bu ya kan ka scheme ku bangi ong enable but ha kan ka scheme ku ba nyo kror san po nyo point san kror nyo point san po kror per year ba kan department elebo department kan ai ka chingyarap ya ki school but ha kini ki school ki ba yo ya ka chingyarap nang ba kan elebo department ni kwa ban penting na ru ba kumbasan person ki de ban reserve ki sit nam ta ki kun ki jonga ki kun ki jonga ki jongpi but ki de ban ai ru ya kan free tuition fees 300% ya ka tuition fees jong ki kun ki jongi dalam kata apa dia ngidon sa kuai ka scheme ke bang ong the community building community while creating job kata ka scheme ke bang ong ka bill scheme ke bang ai nam ta ban yaram ye ki shinau ye ki community nam ta ba kinte ye kino ki chingte ki dor bar hall lane kino ki chunan kam ke ba ko community ke ba ki sodan kam bat kila ban apply ka ni scheme nam ta ka ni scheme na kalian ko jun ke department ni alot ban real crore nam ta ka community infrastructure to create job while we build it way ka de ka ba don kam ba ke way scheme ke ba don kam ke ba ni launch ta ka sing ke ba ni khot ka startup toolkit scheme lane ka scheme ke ba ni ai ki no train ki ba train ki jaka prepare ya ki tools but kini ki tools ki bangin sa ai menta kasi ki chongdong in ai kembang namta kumusana jar prosper ngut ki bala yo train workers ki jongi ban kapisa ka bangin sa ai but ki tools ka chongdor jong ki tools ki long kembang prajar tingka jong ko wei ka package jong ki tools ka bangin sa ai menta kasi ngidon bejingen ban ngidon bejing perkhan balada ki train worker ki chongi nara pila yo ya training nara pindon ki tools tumno bade nginya chakman dena ta kadaw ngi bue ka skim nam ta ba nyara pe ki ba ki nam ta pindon kam ki chaka train ki chongi. What I believe the most significant decision, something that can change the relationship between the worker and the state, and something that makes security not occasional but a permanent, something that turns welfare into a promise. Karon ko ka scheme ka ba bubuan ki polo ki chongi ba kilay kali nga kinikisi ki ba kaddo kan ban wara asya ka jingmuntoy nam ta chongi iway ba iway pat kata ka scheme kabangin misingin sa penbenam takasi kumba pilatem pa ka board ka MBOCW board welfare board kai board ki scheme but kini ki scheme way nak ki scheme kini ki scheme nam ta ki scholarship kabangi ong educational support and scholarship kabaki kun ki kun jong ki registered worker ki bala register ko ka POCW ki yo scholarship nado class 1 khatsat spa tingka ban kiba poi hadu ba kinada be kecing kuli ke jonki sedang scholarship khatsat spa tingka no class 1 ban hadu khatsau jara tingka ye iwe ikun ijong banalor kini ke nalor kini kam scholarship ni don ru ya kini kam maternity benefits dan yang tak kilo kini ba kida kapu na hospital kinyo are kini kichimentoi ba kidon na kabon kinang don banalor kata nalor bakini kichimentoy ki bani ay nakabon nantakas ni gikwa ro bani tu yapi banakal yung jong kabon kala shim ya kawai karay bat kata karay ko long ba yakini ki nalor kini scheme ki ba kabot ka ay ninang ay shushu padesa katto kani kichimentoy yaki workers ki jongi dakaba kabot kan pensiu nam ta jongpi ba pinyo yakini kichimentoy na central scheme kata kawai ka PMJJBY Pradhan Mantri Jivan Jyoti Bina Yojana ka PMSBY Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana bat ka PMSYM Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan bat kini ki benefits ki ba pinyo na kini ki scheme bat ka nakaling jo kabon kan pensiu ya kini premium dan kan pensiu ya kini kiba kadai pensiu namta kan premium banyo ya kini kicing toy ban pabon kan penut kumba software san pulang aga system namta bangin ba contribute namta ban penyo ya kini kicing toy kicongpi ban kini kicing toy ki include ya ka parla ke insurance cover namta jongpi ka accidental coverage but pinyo ya ke pension ba lai hajar tingka man ku benai hadin bakiladam drupo tingka on reposnan hadin bakiladam drupo